fam, of course, as always, it's been a minute, but I have just been traveling a lot and busy with lots of work events. So today I was just gonna hop on and open a few boxes, show y'all a few things I've recently purchased and received from some brands, and just do a little catch up. So, like I said, we've been busy. Paris was literally my dream come true. Like, I tried not to have any expectations for that trip, but it was just Austin and I for a whole week there, and it was like everything I could have wished for. So if you are like thinking about, how can I make it to Europe? How can I, when can I? Just do it. Just do it. I was just like, I had lots of flight miles, so that helped, but like, I was like, we're gonna put it on the credit card. I don't care. It's gonna be our big trip for the year, and literally, I will never regret that, especially at this age. Like, we always wanted to do it before we had kids and before just like, I don't know, like jobs are crazy and stuff. But yeah, so I am gonna do a little mini vlog. I've kind of pulled some of it together, but I didn't do like talking to the camera because I really wanted to be present and in the moment for that trip. And I'm so thankful that I did. I did get lots of good footage of like stuff that we were doing, but it's gonna be like a short mini vlog, so stay tuned for that. But, I'm just wondering where I should start today. Today's video is sponsored by Iota Body. I'm very excited to be partnering with them. They have amazing skincare, and they've sent me the Super Vitamin Body Wash and the Super Plant Body Serum, and I'm so excited to try these out. They are super clean beauty, so fitting, paraben-free, phthalate-free, vegan, cruelty-free, microbiome balanced, and dermatologist tested. So they are very good for you, and they're just like made with essentials that are good for your body that you wouldn't normally put on your body. So the first one, the Super Vitamin Body Wash. It is mandarin rind and cedar atlas. It has vitamin A for hydration, radiance boost of vitamin B3, B9 for collagen support, because we all know we need that the older we get, vitamin C for antioxidants, and vitamin E as a barrier repair. And there's also pre and postbiotics. So let's see. First of all, it looks like you could pick this up from a mini fridge at like a juice shop. We love a good aesthetic. And I just have to smell it. It literally smells like going into like a really bougie yoga store or like yoga studio. So very excited to try this. I'm sure it'll feel amazing on my skin, so I'll give you guys an update at the end of this video after I take a shower. And then let's open up this guy. So this one's also fragrance free, the body serum. Again, it has vitamin B3, B12, C, D, E, K, peptides for collagen support, and pre and postbiotics. So I have a feeling this one's gonna be really great for heading into summer with summer glowy skin. It says just apply over the whole body, follow with or mix with moisturizer. So I'll probably mix this in my moisturizer today. Austin just came down and I was like, can we go get coffee? Because we're in our like kitchen thing, we have all sorts of Christmas gift cards he found in his closet. So I've been like loading them all up on my phone, and now I'm like, free coffee. Hurry up, finish up your game. We're going for coffee. This Angel's enjoying his Sunday snooze. Hi. So, as y'all know, I'm really big on self-care. I don't always do it, but I always try to make sure that if I have a full day off work, I take some time to myself to, work out, take care of my body, take care of my skin, all those things. So it's kind of like a theme for today's video, including this stuff. to up my self-care situation. But so yeah, I worked out this morning, and then I've like sat on the couch because I needed it. I haven't done that in like forever, for like all day, where I can just catch up on emails, watch some TV, and really just relax and not really think about stuff, and just like post on social for fun instead of having to post it for, you know, a brand or whatever. But I had to show you guys this photo because at work earlier this week we had some Aura photographers and readers come to the store for a pop-up event, and I was like so excited to do it because I'm just like really in touch with myself and in my body and like everything that's going on around me. So I was curious to see like if like how accurate or whatever, you know, what they're saying, whatever. So here's my photo. Lots, oh, the window. Lots going on. Lots. But really he was like, you're a free spirit. Self-care is very important to you, but like my next big self-care thing I need to work on is like my headspace. So that's gonna be something I'm going to be including in my like Sunday weekly self-care, and more into like my other days off, like on Wednesdays, to where I can sit down and like meditate, even if it's for 5 minutes twice a week, just to like start there. Because I used to do it. I used to meditate a little more often when I had like a really stressful job. So just like, I don't know, I just feel like being on social media all the time, it's good for me to take some time to just really sit down and like clear my head instead of just like letting it always run my life. So I will be doing that today. I really like Headspace. I've used that before, so I have that app, and then I also use it on Spotify. So if you guys need a good place for just free meditations, Headspace is great. Y'all are just truly getting me at my best today. My friend's tea and like sweat set. But the next thing, I always need like updated, I know this is bad, I don't need it, but like mentally I need it. I actually kind of did need it. New like workout tops and stuff, so that I was a little bit more excited for going to the gym, since I do have a new routine and a new gym that I'm going to and that I love. I just thought it would be fun to get some new workout tops that I've been needing. And I ordered from, and I'm not gonna say it right, it's Jala. It's either Ala or Jala, I don't know, but I've been eyeing their workout stuff for a while, so I got a couple tops and just like easy ones that I can throw on, some of them without a bra, but this one I will need a bra, but just like easy, throw it on with some bike shorts or leggings, and I just, you know, I love a neutral. But the next one, I love this. It's literally just a crop top, but it's not too cropped, and it's like thick in the front so that you don't have to wear a sports bra with it, which is like the best. It's like the dream top, but it doesn't have like the built-in bra, which is uncomfortable for me. So it's just like a top you throw on and you don't need a bra. So amazing. And then I was really excited about this one, but she's really little, like she's tiny. Actually it's wrong side up. So I probably won't wear as a top unless I'm like in like a very hot environment, workout type situation, but it is like super cute, like a bra top. That's not a wire, but it's very tiny and it's very boobalicious, which is not something I can say very often for myself since I don't really have much going on up there. But I love the color. It's one of my faves. And I think these are like just what I needed to top it off, to get going, to get in my like spring summer workout routine. These guys are dying, but look how beautiful this bouquet is. I got to take it home from a work event, but our florist is always amazing. So of course I had to take it for the bedroom. So another thing on my self-care routine that I'm adding, and I've added it back in a little bit more this last like 6 months or so, is reading. It's actually just so good for me. It's so good for you. it's so good for everybody in general, but it's really good for me to just get out of my headspace and find something really good to read that I'm not on my screen all the time. And actually have already read, I used to read like all the time, but then when I got into college, I really kind of fell out of love with it, and every now and then I would just read a book, and then after that I just hadn't read very much. But I'm kind of getting back into it, and I've already read 2 books this year, which I'm pretty proud of. But I'm doing it. It Ends With Us before the movie comes out, whenever that is, because I'm hopping on that bandwagon, because who doesn't love a little romance? I just started it. I'm literally on page 12, so I'm gonna find some time for this. Maybe this afternoon, get a coffee after I take a shower with my new amazing Iota skincare, and read a little romance. Hi, buddy. Yeah. Hi. Ew. Hi.
He says,
I gotta get down.
eat time.
Oh. That's no. Okay, post shower, I can in fact confirm that these are amazing. So it smells amazing in the shower, and it feels like this like aromatherapy bath, and it just feels so good. It didn't leave my skin tight, left it feeling moisturized, and because I do have super dry skin, this was amazing. I added it into, I like mixed it in with my regular moisturizer, which I use like a rich creamy moisturizer, and again, smelled amazing, felt amazing. I really am definitely going to be recommending this to all my girlfriends and everybody I know. So, Iota Beauty, find it, order it, I'll link it for you guys. And that's really it for today. Hope you enjoyed a little self-care inspiration as we are moving into spring towards a little bit of warm weather and sunshine, because I know we all need it. So thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe to my channel and follow me along on all my other socials, which I will also link below. So bye.